This house gives you an unfair advantage. And no, it's not what you think. Every room flows perfectly. Loud spaces stay loud, and quiet places stay quiet. The kitchen keeps everyone connected. The bedrooms give you space when you need it.
Baby, you make me feel so la la la.
The backyard, total freedom. 107 Brook Hollow Court isn't just a home. It's the one that works for you, and you'll feel it the moment you walk in.
Everything I want is sugar like yes please, love is like candy.